I know that you are interested, but I want to tell you a little bit more about who we are so that we make sure that this is a good fit for both of us. See, we are social media people who do social media marketing for people like you. I ran one of the most successful, fast-growing organizations in Maryland that launched 5 different campuses in 5 years. And a lot of our success was due to social media marketing. So it was an easy fit for me to move into a digital marketing space because I think about everything through the lens of social media marketing. The first thing you have to know about us is social media is not just something we do as an add-on, it's like one of the main things. We don't build websites and then offer social media, we do social media marketing. And we have an amazing strategy. See, we don't just recycle images on Google and get our Canva app opened and make posts. No, we have a step-by-step strategy that can beat the Facebook and Instagram algorithm so that you get attention. See, we love videos at Exponential Media. And we will help you. I don't care how old you are. If you're 12 years old to 80 years old, we've helped people in that range get on social media, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, you name it. We've helped people with a video strategy to drive engagement to them, their products, their services, their brands. And the last thing is we love people. We love working with you. You become more than just a client and a customer because of our strategy is so niche and so connected to who we are as an organization. We become friends and family with our clients. We love people at Exponential Media so that we can help you grow. We want to help you grow your brand, your audience online. We want to help you grow your leads that you get in each month for your clients so that you can have the greatest return on investment ever. So if these things have connected to you and resonate with you, please now fill out the form so that we can take this conversation to the next level with a free, absolutely free, no obligation strategy session where we can make sure that we together are a great fit.